everyone! It's 1:35. Ryan and I are cooking rice, and it just ended. Here's our eggs. Here's someone got an email. Ooh, look at, oh, that's steam. You want me to turn the fan on?
Sure.
Okay, we're also watching Orphan, but it's paused, and yeah. Okay, now I have to help. Bye. Chef Ryan at your service. Also, muscles and glasses. I thought that one piece of egg was chicken, and I was like, we didn't make chicken. Get some of the special ingredients. I love soy sauce. Love. Also, do you guys like my shirt? Also, there's 90 of you. Hi! You want to say hi to 90 viewers?
Hi, 89 other people.
Hello friends, this is what I'm wearing today. It feels very fall. I feel like I'm back in California. It's kind of like fits weirdly because I'm actually wearing a belt on the dress underneath, so it kind of looks a little lumpy, but anyways, I'm wearing this sweater from Anthropologie, and it just has like a little cowl neck, and it's so cozy and warm. And I'm wearing this dress from Target, and it's just floral, and I like how the floral print and the lace at the bottom peeps out. And then I'm wearing these shoes from Sam Edelman, and my hair is up in a bun, and I'm wearing wings on my eyeliner. I don't even know if you can tell, but yes, but now it's time for coffee. It's also time for me to delete some footage on my camera because it's like I haven't cleared out my camera for like forever. I only have 9 minutes of storage left. But anyways, I'm gonna do that and then I'll talk to you guys after. So I just erased almost 477, almost 500 clips from my computer or camera. So that's exciting. Now I have, I don't know how much footage, like 300 minutes maybe, which is pretty crazy, but okay. Now this is happening, which I'm excited about. It's 11:07. I just got back from class. And I found out that my class got canceled in like 2 weeks, so yay, it's like the Monday before, what's it called? Thanksgiving. I'm going to find a pink pen. Let's see, is this a pink pen? Yes. Okay, now, it's November 24th. No gender. Rough draft. I can't even see. Okay. Yay. Okay. Oh, I need to put basketball games on there. Okay. Give me like 1 sec. Hello. So I'm actually headed to my photography class. Just wearing my school bag on. Oh, I don't know if you can see. And I changed into some jeans because my classroom for that class is so cold. Also, in other news, I'm going to be reorganizing my closet today. Well, when I say reorganizing, I mean switching summer stuff out because I looked at the forecast and it's not supposed to get colder than like 67 like the entire rest of what seems like forever. So I'm going to take all these things down for the most part and put sweaters in. And yeah. Okay, well, bye. Hello. So it looks like it's supposed to rain today. The weather app looks like it's supposed to rain today. So I'm headed to yoga, but I'm just wearing yoga leggings from Victoria's Secret that are like a little too big. This t-shirt from Australia. It's like my favorite t-shirt ever. It's so soft. And then just a jacket from Topshop. It has a hood on it. It'll keep me warm, hopefully, and then my Nikes. And did I have the what's it called, microphone covered the whole time? I don't know. But okay, well, it's 8:35. I'm going to go eat breakfast. So bye. So it's noon now, and I'm eating a bowl of popcorn for lunch. I also had some Dr. Pepper, and this cup is like one of those ones that it changes colors when it's when it gets cold, so it turns blue. But I just had a cup of Dr. Pepper. And I'm eating popcorn, but look how good it looks. Anyways, let's go see what it looks like outside. It's raining, I'm assuming, still. I don't know. My roommate and I sometimes just like sit here and watch people like walk in and out of is that my roommate? No. Okay. But yeah, so we just like watch people like walk. Okay, well, I'm gonna back away from that. I think I did not organize my closet yesterday, but I think I'm gonna do it later today when I'm done eating my so-called lunch. I really want to wear this shirt, but it's been so like, it was really hot and then it was cold, so like there was no in between, so I don't know. I also have a kernel stuck in my mouth. That's what I'm wearing. It's like so boring. Well, I'm gonna be wearing a scarf and a jacket, but I'm wearing this sweater from Ann Taylor, and then this tank top from Target, high-waisted jeans from American Eagle, Christmas socks. I'm going to be wearing my Hunters, and that scarf and this jacket. And yeah, but anyways, that's what I'm up to. I'm just watching YouTube pretty much. And that's that. No one's uploaded anything in 4 hours, so where are you? So it's 5:15. It feels like it's 9. It's pretty dark outside. And the only lights on in this room are that one and that one back there. But anyways, and I'm also wearing a blanket, or yeah, I guess I'm wearing it. I don't know if it's raining outside still, but oh, my roommate, when she left, she sprayed her body spray. It smells really good. Yum. But I'm getting my statistics textbook so I can do my homework. I already did my homework for my other class. That's due tomorrow. What is this one? Let's see. I'm doing statistics. I don't know if you guys have this wherever you guys go to school, but this is Blackboard. It's pretty much best thing ever. Homework. Ooh. Oh. This is homework 8 or homework 9? I'm gonna assume homework 9. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this now, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So forgive my hair. I think it's pretty gross. I did have a French braid, but it fell out. Okay, well, it's raining again. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this t-shirt that we have to wear for band, but it's way too cold to just wear a t-shirt. So I'm also wearing this denim shirt from Target with my brown leather jacket from Urban Outfitters, and then this scarf from Forever 21. And I just don't have it like wrapped around my neck because it's a little too humid. But and then I'm wearing black leggings, or wait, no, black jeggings from American Eagle, and then my black Hunter rain boots, and that's that. I also am carrying this very fashionable red umbrella. Well, I actually think it's not like unfashionable. It's cute. But anyways, I'm just hanging now. I am trying to figure out how to print double-sided on this stupid Word because, okay, so we got new emails, or like new sort of emails. We got, oh my gosh, okay. So we got new email, like a new email server for our SMU emails, and then they and with it we get Word or like Microsoft Office for free, so I downloaded it, and I have no idea how to print double-sided because it appears that I'm printing double-sided when I click double-sided preset, but it just doesn't work. So I don't know. Default settings maybe. Show presets. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm gonna figure it out though. I will. Hello. So, today there's a bug. I'm going to kill it with these expired CVS coupons. Oh my god, I think it's a mosquito. No, okay. No, it's just coming towards me. Okay, not gonna kill it. I'm scared now. Anyways, one of my teachers actually didn't show up for the first 15 minutes of class, which in my school you're allowed to leave after 15 minutes if your teacher hasn't come. So we left. There aren't that many people in that class, and so we left, and then we ran into her, and like she's like the sweetest like professor ever, and she told us we could just go, and like it was sad, but then I just came back here so I didn't have to run to my next, or to my lab, and yep, I uploaded a video. Just got the email telling me that my video is finally uploaded. Wow, I can't speak. Okay. And now I'm making coffee because it's chilly. It's 11:38 and I'm getting lunch at 1 and I'm pretty hungry. So I think I'm just gonna sit here and watch YouTube videos and drink some coffee, probably make my bed because it looks like a disaster up there. But anyways, yep. Okay, well, bye.